Hello everybody and welcome back to another Titanfall 2 video. This is Let's Play Part 3. We're just gonna jump right back in from where we left off. Third level, third mission I believe. And all I can say is thank you for coming, taking time out of the day to come watch my video. Thank you. So if you can, please be generous and please like the video. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, here we are. We just got out of Kane's place, and we killed Kane. He's a pretty bad guy and pretty crazy. But here we are, we just left. And yeah, let's actually get BT if we can.
Pilot mode engaged, watch our step.
Wow, this game is so pretty. Down there. Okay, there's a barrier for me to get back up because I was kind of hesitant about jumping down there with the Titan. I was like, am I going to be able to get back up? But yeah, it was. Wow.
What is this place?
Accessing files. Unknown.
Are you sure?
What are we doing here, BT?
We must proceed through this facility and continue to the rendezvous point with Major X. Our only chance of survival.
I guess I missed a lot of helmets last level. Okay. Here's Cooper's logbook. If you want to read it, pause the video and read it.
Copy your last eyes on. He's in a Legion class Titan. Last seen leaving McGowan's crash site headed south. Over. Solid copy. You reacquire. Try to contact us already. Ask for Commander Sarah Briggs.
Nice. Alright. Exploration always helps the soul, doesn't it? Okay, what up, BT? We're getting back in.
Transferring controls to pilot.
Okay. Back on our jolly way. Ooh, another loadout. Scorch. Hey, that's my big boy that I use in multiplayer.
Ash, this is Blisk. I copy over.
This is Ash. Go ahead.
Kane is not responding. I think our militia pilot's trying to be a hero. He's got to be headed your way. Kill him.
Understood.
Whee!
Ash out.
Who's Blisk?
He is a war criminal, wanted by the militia, commonly employed by the IMC.
Well, I don't know, aren't the
Responsible
militia
for the
all
death
war
of my
criminals,
previous
though?
pilot, Captain Lastimosa.
Oh, Scorch is fun. That ought to do it. Wait for the fire to go away, because my own fire hurts me. How about such a crappy Titan design, where your own ability hurts you?
BT-7274. Moving in.
That was a Titan episode. Crap.
Pilot control initiated. Enemy Titan down.
Really?
There ain't nowhere to run.
Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide.
Nice hit. Now try with some aim next time. I'm just getting distracted by your crappy shooting.
Flame core ready. Enemy Titan down. Excessive damage. Warning. Warning.
Excessive damage. What I like about BT is you can use this double boost, while with the normal
Let's end this
Scorch,
quick.
you can only use, one.
Warning. Our reactor is unstable. Replace the battery with fire. Good work, pilot. Your skills are greatly improving.
Yeah, health was low. Die. Oh yeah, 'cause that hurts me. Okay, learn. Fire hurts you, and like your pilot and your Titan. New loadout already? That was fast. The brute.
Pilot,
That's kinda
this
dope.
loading dock's cargo lift offers a shortcut to the facility. Check your HUD for the control panel.
Found it.
Good idea.
Thank you, pilot.
I don't know, I kind of agree with their statement. Well, we found a bunch of other helmets over in this area, so let's see if there's one hiding around this nature-looking area, because I want to get all those helmets. Okay, and let's see. It's just scenic. Okay, well, let's continue on then, BT.
I'm engaging hostile infantry.
Don't shoot me now, BT.
We cannot proceed through this facility with
Cargo lift activated.
pilot. I require assistance.
Warning. Warning.
Oh, that's not good.
Unauthorized Titan detected in loading.
Alright, BT, where are you going, bud?
Transferring Titan to
Okay,
asset
we're all goes this
reassignment.
way, so we're just gonna press the big green button that looks like I'm supposed to
I
press.
have located a security breach. Loading dock
Press it.
13. Over.
Roger. Kappa 3.
Oh, I didn't get all the story there.
Pilot. Pilot. I need assistance.
Looks like
Do
the
you know-
automated
do you
security
really?
in this place is picking up tight.
That's the work for us.
BT, where you going, bud? I lost him, but these pipes look very, are shaped in a manner of being able to climb. Convenient, I guess I should say.
Cooper, if you read me, I'm being taken to this facility substation.
BT, how do I get to you?
You must follow the pipes.
Oh, I
to lower
missed two
levels.
in the other level?
Warning. Losing contact.
Well, that was a short level. That was, only around 10 minutes. I guess I can play two for this episode. 10-minute episode would be kind of boring.
I can see IMC infantry scattered throughout this facility. Be careful, pilot.
Bloody hell, this job is for Marvin.
Oh, this is fun. Giant.
We're overqualified.
Blisk, this is Ash. I have a Vanguard class Titan. What would you
Take a
like me to
giant
do with
dangerous
it?
slide.
I bloody care. Destroy it. What about its pilot?
He is being dealt with. This facility was built to kill. I'm sure I can take advantage of that fact if I have to.
Ash, that place is not your bloody playground. I'm not paying you to be clever. You scuttle that place if you have to, eh? Let's go.
Pilot, I'm being taken down an assembly line. There may be a common exit. I recommend you follow the flow of the platform.
Wait for the invisible
Pilot,
to come
this
back.
facility is extremely dangerous. Watch for crushing hazards on the assembly line.
Not run. I'm assuming that if I really need to, I can just run past those guys. Because I don't know, I don't really feel like fighting. I'm a peaceful man. Dang it. Alright. Well, death is death. We're just gonna skip these guys again. I don't feel like fighting them. G7. Oh, we could've got Mozambique. There's a very big difference in the between the Mozambique and Titanfall and the Mozambique and Apex. Very big difference. Like, extremely large difference. Because the difference is one is good, the other is not. How many shots are in one magazine? Is it 6? Oh, he punched me while I was hacking him. That's dumb. Whatever. How far back is it gonna put me? Okay, I gotta stop trying to do that. Ah. House, quotation marks.
Pilot, I'm being taken through an area stocked with prefabricated structures. We are not far apart. Keep moving.
What the hell are they building here, BT?
Unknown, but I doubt the IMC are mass-producing homes. They usually destroy them.
Wow, BT, getting a little sassy over there, I see. Oh. I got crushed by air. My goal is just to avoid ticks at all costs. It's not like that. I did not pick a very good hiding place. Alright guys, this is getting kinda stressful. It's just getting difficult because now there are so many guys. This should be too long to do something. I need better guns here. I don't like the G7 Scout. Where does the assembly line continue, may I ask? Not over here. Oh, was it up here? I just missed it. That's okay. All aboard the assembly line. My favorite song, all aboard the assembly line.
Get it before he gets further down the assembly. Even shut! We'll look our way!
How am I not dead? I just ran past everyone because I really didn't want to do that. Hope this takes me to where I need to go and doesn't just dump me off a cliff somewhere.
Pilot, are you alright?
Barely. That was a meat grinder. You okay?
I'm undead.
Oh, that's it. We lived.
However, I do not believe this is a food processing plant.
Oh, wow. That's sarcasm.
With my luck, this place is gonna turn itself inside out.
Or upside down, considering the circumstances.
Oh, a lot of houses, dude. This one isn't even fully finished. It's missing a wall, 2 walls. Where are we going? The sideways wall of city. Well, it's actually only 2 things.
If only the IMC infantry were as dedicated. There is only
Interesting
one
how they have
way
like
out.
a spine.
Up.
Oh my gosh. This is... Oh, now I have a wall.
Pilot, scans indicate the dome above is your best course of action to find an exit. I recommend getting there by any means necessary.
This is so trippy. I hate this. Oh, that's not pleasant. Okay, I'm not going up there. Alright, what's the best plan of action? I say... we take this route. Oh my gosh, I hate this. You're looking down right now, straight down, straight up.
The dome is still waiting.
I know.
Rest assured, I will not execute you summarily. You have my word.
This is much better. Just boxes now.
Simulation dome.
What? Ugh, I hated that part. Climbing up that wall like that is so trippy.
Impressive, pilot. You made it all this way alive. Unfortunately for you, there is only one way out. Step on it.
hitch a ride to the dome above.
Well done, pilot. I will take it from here.
Oh, that's weird. Why is it labeled illegal view, but I can see it? Can I just drop down onto a different one? Oh, that's not a pleasant sight looking down.
Loading scenario 127 in dynamic simulation dome 314.
Now, we shall see how impressive you truly are.
I can still see a little bit. This is so cool.
Delivering militia test subjects.
Arm up! Barely survived the last one. Shut up and grab a gun! Look, pilot! I'll be on your favor. Nothing about this is in our favor. Aim sharp!
Alright guys, I know we ended up not on the end of a level, but it was kind of getting a little long, so I wanted to cut it short. But we will continue this in the next video, part 4 of Titanfall 2. So I want to thank you all for watching. It means a lot to me that you would take time out of your day and watch my video. It'd be nice. You'd share a little generosity and like the video. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed. Have a nice day.